Do you have cabbage in your fridge? Then get ready because today I'm going to show you a simple, budget-friendly, and very tasty recipe. To start, grab half a cabbage and slice it into very thin strips. And here's a tip. The thinner you cut it, the faster it cooks and the better it tastes. Tell me, do you usually use cabbage in your recipes? Or will this be your first time? Now let's move on to half an onion. Chop it very finely. Onion is the flavor base of almost everything, right? And when it starts to saute, that aroma already makes your mouth water. In a pan, add a drizzle of olive oil. You don't need much, just enough to get a nice golden color. Now add the onion and let it saute, stirring occasionally. When the onion is nicely golden and releasing that amazing aroma, it's time to add about 8.8 ounces of ground beef. Break it up in the pan and stir well so it stays nice and loose, okay? Let it cook well. This step is important for the meat to develop lots of flavor. No rushing here. Take a moment and like the video, it really helps. Now let's season. Add salt, black pepper, and white pepper. This combination gives an incredible, well-balanced, and aromatic flavor. Mix everything very well so the seasoning spreads evenly through the meat. Next, add about 1.7 fluid ounces of tomato pulp and watch the color start to change. Stir well until everything is fully combined. This step adds a light creaminess and a special touch to the dish. Now it's time for the cabbage we sliced at the beginning. You can add it all to the pan. At first, it looks like a lot, right? But don't worry, it will shrink quite a bit. Mix well and let it cook. Always stirring so it doesn't stick and cooks evenly. The cabbage will release water and absorb all the flavor from the meat. It's simply amazing. If you like practical recipes, comment here, "I want more recipes like this," and I'll bring you more quick ideas. And while you're at it, tell me in the comments, what city are you watching from? I'd love to know how far this video is reaching. When the cabbage is nice and tender and everything is well combined, it's time to finish. Add parsley to taste. Besides adding color, it brings a fresh touch that makes all the difference. Now just give it one last mix, and done. Your ground beef with cabbage is ready to serve. And look, this recipe is simple, affordable, and full of flavor. Perfect for everyday meals. If you made it this far, comment "turned out great" so I know you watched until the end. And tell me, would you serve it with rice or eat it just like this?